Hello students, today we are going to discuss this problem which is from class 10 subject biology and chapter is our environment. So the problem given here is differentiate between primary and secondary air pollutants and give one example of each. Okay, so we need to give here example of each one of secondary and primary pollutant and उनके बीच का difference हमें prepare करना है. First of all we will discuss what is air pollution. Okay, so if we talk about air pollution here, then air pollution is the contamination of the environment by the substances present at the concentrations above their natural level. Above their natural levels and produces adverse effects to the living organisms. ओके, एयर पोल्यूशन क्या होता है? एयर पोल्यूशन हमारा कंटामिनेशन हो जाए एनवायरनमेंट का विद द सब्सटेंसेस जिनका नेचुरल लेवल से ज़्यादा का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन प्रेजेंट हो. ओके, और उस चीज़ का हमारे बॉडी पर और हमारे लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स पर एडवर्स इफेक्ट हो. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एयर पोल्यूशन, राइट? ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर source of emission, they can be classified into two types of air pollutant, that is primary air pollutants and secondary air pollutants. Okay, now let us prepare the difference between the primary and secondary air pollutants here. अगर हम बात करें प्राइमरी एयर पोल्यूटेंट्स की, तो प्राइमरी एयर पोल्यूटेंट्स हमारे वो पोल्यूटेंट्स होते हैं जो डायरेक्टली सोर्स से इमिट होते हैं. दे आर डायरेक्टली इमिटेड फ्रॉम द सोर्स, राइट? जो हमारे डायरेक्टली सोर्स से प्रिपेयर इमिट होते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड एज प्राइमरी एयर पोल्यूटेंट्स. ओके, they are found in the atmosphere in the form they are emitted. Okay, वो जिस फॉर्म में इमिट होते हैं उसी फॉर्म में एटमॉस्फेयर में पाए जाते हैं, right? And the third point here is examples of primary air pollutants are ash, smoke, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen oxides. These all are the examples of primary air pollutants and they are found and emitted directly into the atmosphere. Okay, now let us talk about secondary air pollutants. तो हमारे secondary air pollutants ऐसे air pollutants होते हैं which are not directly emitted from the source but they are formed due to chemical reactions. Okay, secondary air pollutants, let us write here, they are not directly emitted from the source, but they are formed by the reactions, chemical reactions के कारण फॉर्म होते हैं. These are called as secondary air pollutants. Okay, they are found as products of chemical reactions. Okay, they are found as the products of chemical reaction between the atmospheric constituents and primary pollutants. अगर हम इसके एग्जाम्पल की बात करें, then the examples of secondary pollutants are SO3, O3 that is ozone, ketones, hydrogen cyanide, etc. Okay, I hope the answer is clear. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel.